A head-to-head confrontation we can quite simply never get enough of. Talk about high profile, this qualifies and a lot more. Stay with us for all the action from the Etihad. It's Manchester City against Liverpool. Well, the weather has certainly cooperated. Beautiful conditions here at the Etihad Stadium. I'm Derek Ray, and joining me to provide expert analysis is Stuart Robson. And looking forward to bringing you action from the Premier League coming right up. It is Manchester City taking on Liverpool.
Yes.
And Salah! Oh, a challenge of the highest order. And here's the Manchester City lineup. Ederson begins in goal. Bernardo Silva plays with Kevin De Bruyne in the centre of midfield. And the main threat in attack today should be Erling Haaland. And the keeper more than equal to the task. He might be able to do damage from here. Firing it in. Determined defending. De Bruyne in the centre. And a struggle to get it away properly. And a time for cool heads. So the starting lineup for Liverpool.
Well, it'll be interesting to see how the wingers play today. Will they stay high and wide? Will they come in field and support the centre forward? And how deep will they come out of possession? They're going to be key to this formation.
Well, sadly, a bit of a tame effort, that one, and far too close to the goalkeeper. Well, from what I'm hearing, changing circumstances in the Newcastle match. Let's get excellent position taken up by Mbappe. He can't hold on to it. Well, they can bring it out now. And a simple clearance, a good one. Well, that's how to beat your opponent. And blocked there. Endo. Not what the doctor ordered for Manchester City fans as they lost last time out against Chelsea. What do you expect to see this time, Stuart?
Well, there was no obvious game plan when they were out of possession, and the result was a woeful defensive display. Today, they just need to show a bit more ambition going forward.
Well, the post got in the way, and there it is, 1-0. Their efforts have been rewarded, and look at the celebrations. So underway again here, 1-0 the score. Well, sincere apologies to Alex, I must say, because we had to cut her off just when she was in full flow. Just to clarify, Chelsea did find the net in that game. He's in behind. Frantic action from one end to the other. They weren't ahead for long, and this match is level again.
Well, we can take another look now. It's great interplay between the two of them to start the move off. And all you can do is admire the finish by Mbappe. He hits the ball so cleanly. It's a fantastic strike.
Liverpool have the ball once more. Andrew Robertson. Can he play it in? Cuts it back. Well, the fans perhaps entitled to think that that effort should have been better.
Well, how did he not score there? That's a poor finish, I have to say.
Rewarded for that brilliant high press. Oh, did so well to deny him. Short corner taken. A delivery from Salah here. Clears it away. Now, maybe room here for the counter-attack. And a good challenge to break. Well, that's a foul, and it sets up a free kick in a dangerous position. Mbappe. Onto Haaland. Encouraging move from Liverpool. Will he play it in? Well, he stopped them in their tracks. must score. And the keeper there to deal with it. Now, how about the short corner? And the cross goes in. The keeper's ball. They'll be disappointed with that delivery. Rodri. Alphonso Davies. And the counter looks on here. Options available. And finally, up a cul-de-sac. Bernardo Silva distributing intelligently. And a goal to delight the fans. Just what they were hoping for.
Well, just look how exposed the keeper is. He's got absolutely no chance there, but they do take it well, you have to say. Well, he has to come up with a game plan. His side are struggling now.
So back underway. Intriguing contest this, given the 2-1 scoreline. Luis Diaz. And a wretched cross, really, over everyone. Salah. Oh, to level the match. Well, that was on the cusp of saying he's at it again. Looked as though he might score again.
Well, he's certainly looking sharp today. That could easily have been his second there.
Corner kick played in. It might still be problematic.
The fourth official has indicated there will be a minimum of 2 minutes of added time.
Well, that's how to keep the opposition at bay. Joe Gomez. This attack looks highly promising. And there goes the whistle for half-time. It's City in front. They'll be the happier of the two sides at the break. So back in business here. City with the lead, but they won't be taking anything for granted. Well, a goal update for you in the Newcastle game. Let's hear all about it from Alex.
And it's a goal for Newcastle United. The score's level again now at 1-1 with 48 minutes played.
Thanks as always, Alex. And space to cross it. Will it be? Emerson, wonderful goalkeeping. Araujo. Given away by City. Plenty of support here. Now let us point you in the direction of Champions League group stage action coming up live here on EA TV. It's Manchester City against RB Leipzig.
That looks a really entertaining game. Two good...
Oh, the referee points to the spot. Penalty. Well, no card handed out, but quite a few upset players out there, Stuart.
Well, he's made a genuine attempt to play the ball. So penalty, yes. Yellow card, no.
A chance to extend the lead. And he slots it home with confidence.
Here's the replay, and he just strikes the ball down the middle. The goalkeeper gets out of the way. It's a really good penalty, and no danger that the goalkeeper's going to save that.
So there it is, 3-1 the current scoreline here. Luis Diaz. Might really be able to trouble them here. Well, let's see about the cross. And the move breaks down. Diaz. Oh, great attacking play. Well, somehow the goalkeeper got to it. And how about the short corner? And it's Salah with the cross. A goal! That's exactly what they needed. That should get them believing again.
Liverpool.
Well, away they go again. Liverpool still behind, but they're making this a contest. Silva. And the ball with Alphonso Davies. Bernardo Silva. Ball back with Liverpool now. Nunez. And a timely intervention. Diaz. Mo Salah. Just wanted to get it out of there. Now breaking at pace. Potential danger. Well, it fizzled out. Diaz. And that, a piece of goalkeeping you're going to see again and again and again. Well, the referee deciding to let the play flow, but now it will be a booking, Stuart.
Well, as soon as the ball went dead, he was always going to book him, and he's absolutely right to do so.
And taken short. Pulls it back. The keeper was never likely to be in trouble then. De Bruyne. Gvardiol. In the right place to cut out the pass. Now we're inside the final 15 minutes. Can he find the right pass? And playing it through. Well, Liverpool down by a goal and in need of a bit of magic from the corner. Playing it short. You don't want to give the ball away there. Safe pair of hands, did his job. Timely intervention. Well, a goal update for you in the Newcastle game. Let's hear all about it from Alex.
It's a second goal for Chelsea. The goalkeeper's made an initial great save, but there's nothing he could do after that. They're now behind by one with 10 minutes left on the clock.
Alex, thank you very much. High quality defending. McAllister. Nunez. 5 minutes left. Salah. Liverpool had it all to do. Well, nothing comes of it. It looked promising. Well, using the space really well, you've got to say. Well, putting it wide from there, disappointing. Well, they've been getting the substitute ready, and now they will make the personnel change. Walker not given a moment to think about it. And 3 minutes will be added on for stoppages. This could square the game, and that's an excellent piece of defending to thwart him. So Bosley. And that is that, full time here and a win for City. Your verdict?
Well, in the end, their attacking play was just too good, even for this defence. They just play at such a quick tempo. That was a top-class performance.
All eyes on Kylian Mbappe. 4 goals last time out. Can he light up the stage again? Don't go anywhere. This is EA TV. Hello and welcome wherever you're watching. This is Goodison Park. I'm Derek Ray, and my commentary partner, as always, is Stuart Robson. I'm very much looking forward to bringing you action from the Premier League. It's Everton facing Manchester City.
Thanks, Derek. Well, both managers will be reminding their players of starting the game quickly, hitting the opposition back.
Is it going to be? And that'll be the goalkeeper's ball. News coming through from the Chelsea game. A goal has gone in, I believe. Alex Scott will tell us all about it.
It's a goal for Palace. The defender was caught in possession just before the goal. He won't want to be watching that back. They're the first on the score sheet here with only 3 minutes played.
Alex with the info as ever. And the lineup for the home side.
Well, on paper, they look a very balanced team. The 3 advanced midfielders must at times make runs beyond the centre forward. Otherwise, they might just lack a bit of penetration.
The keeper diving magnificently to make sure he got there. And De Bruyne firing it over. Must struggle to get it away properly. Able to clear the danger, at least for now. Can he put them in front? Yes is the emphatic answer. And you have to say it was on the cards.
Well, as you can see, his movement is really good, which then makes the finish look easy. That's a decent goal, that's for sure.
So Everton restart the game, well aware that the pressure has been applied. How will they respond? Oh, nice ball over the top. Will he find the net? Was an important piece of defending. Giving it a try, just couldn't get it through. And a free kick awarded by the referee. An exciting talent who has everything a forward needs to be successful. Stuart, what are you expecting to see from Mbappe?
Well, how can you stop him? If you get too tight, he'll use the space behind you, drop off, and he'll turn and run at you. Add that to his movement in the box, and you can see why he scored so many goals.
Oh, Stuart, they might be onto something. And the ball is loose. And eventually, goalkeeper's ball.
Well, you can sense the relief amongst his teammates, but what a first save that was.
No mistake from the keeper. Will it be punished? And the cross comes to nothing in the end.
Well, it's been all City in the last 15 minutes or so, and their attacking play has been excellent. Surely only a matter of time before they extend their lead here.
Messi. Well, they're doing a fine job of applying pressure here, not giving their opponents time to think or get out of their own half. And the ball back with City here. But he tried in vain to get himself back onside.
Well, he needs to show greater awareness there and hold on to the ball a fraction longer.
Well, it's a pretty low line at the moment. Haaland. Oh, what an opportunity. Well, opportunity to extend their advantage, squandered.
Well, what a chance that is. He should have scored there.
Everton unable to retain possession. And so there we have it. The first half has come to an end here at Goodison.
Triple substitution for Manchester City.
Second half underway, with City looking to build upon a positive first half performance. De Bruyne, promising pass. And he wasn't messing around with the clearance. It's a promising City move. Haaland. Here's Bernardo Silva. Magnificent challenge to win it back. Well, the situation has changed in the Chelsea game. There's been a goal there. Alex Scott.
Yes, it's a goal for Chelsea. The score's level again now at 1-1 with 50 minutes played.
Many thanks as ever, Alex. Emphasis on the clearance, a good one. Just a quick reminder, we have more action from the Premier League coming your way. It's Everton facing Wolverhampton Wanderers. Oh, managing to beat him. Well, that one has promise. Is there going to be? And now the goal the City fans wanted to see. It's hard to see them throwing this away.
Well, here's the replay, and just look at that power. That's almost unstoppable. That's a great strike.
Number 23, Kylian Mbappe.
And there it is, a chance. Can he put it away? Well, it wasn't a taxing save. Out of play for a Manchester City throw-in. They decided that now is the time to go to the bench. And a goal has gone in at Stamford Bridge, so with all the information, here's Alex Scott. Might be a chance here. And a fine stop. Well, not away properly. Bernardo Silva. The attack carried an initial threat, but fizzled out. Well, we're sorry for interrupting you just then, Alex. Just to clarify, Chelsea did find the net in that game, and they're winning in that game at the moment by 2-1. Will he finish? Not to be, and still chasing this game.
Well, that was the chance to get back into this. As it is, they're going to struggle now.
Don't forget, we have more live action from the Premier League coming up here on EA TV. It's Manchester City facing Sheffield United. And a simple clearance, a good one. And teammates around him. A City corner it is.
Number 7, Selaou.
A change in the offing for City. But he's gone short with it. He thwarted the attack illegally, and perhaps a card is forthcoming. And that is going to mean a caution.
The referee is absolutely right. He knew what he was doing there.
Well, straight into the meat of the penalty area. Mopping up defensively. Well, maybe a good position from which to counter. All hands on deck. Can he get one back? Oh, no, is the answer. It was a gilt-edged opportunity. He couldn't avail himself of it.
You have to say that's a big chance missed. He had to score there. That makes it difficult now.
Given away by City. So 2 minutes to be added on at the end. Alexander-Arnold. And after the cross, a tremendous block. What a lovely strike! Lethal piece of finishing, drilled home with true conviction. Tremendous goal!
Well, let's take another look now, and it's a superb cross by Foden, and Haaland wasn't going to miss that one. From that sort of range, he was all...
And so the referee blows the whistle. It is the end of the contest, and the 3 points go to Manchester City.